everyone, welcome to the session. This session is a little bit different because here I'm not teaching you something, but it's just a practice set problems which I want to give you. I know that before coming to this session you already have covered up what is substitution method. I have also tried to cover up various problems on top of that, and after that I am expecting that you already have knowledge about recursive tree approach as well, because there also I have covered up specifically 3 different kinds of problems which helps you to understand the concept behind the recursive tree approach. Now it's your time to see that whether you will be able to get a proper knowledge about that or not. How you can get that? Let me tell you. So here, if you will see on the blackboard, I have written 3 main problems here. The problem number 1 says that T of n is something. So these are the kind of a recurrence relations, as you can see, which I have written down here, right? So these are the different kinds of recurrence relations that I have written here. Now in the first recurrence relation, I just tried to break down the T of n by 2 into 2 parts separately, because I want you to solve this particular thing using a recursive tree approach. Okay, so try to solve this problem using a recursive tree approach. Here I have also mentioned the solution. So here this should be the correct solution that you should be able to get. So if you are getting some value which is other than n log n, it means you are doing something wrong in that. Now just try to solve this first problem using recursive tree approach. The concept wise everything will remain same. If you don't able to understand how we can go ahead, please rewatch the sessions again and then try to do it on your own without seeing any reference on the Google or the web. Okay. Another question which you can see here, try to solve it using a substitution method that we have understood so far. Again, in this particular case, if you will see, we have been given to us that if the value of n is 1, again this is something which is a base case condition. Here also try to see that the base case condition is same only. In the first question also I have not written specifically, but please take a note that when the value of n is 1, I am saying by default that the answer will be constant. When the value of n is greater than 1, at that point of time you are having this recurrence relation which is saying 8tn by 2 plus n square. Similarly in question number 3 also, if you will see, when the value of n is equals to 1, we are getting the value as a constant. When the value of n is greater than 1, then the recurrence relation will be t of n by 2 plus c. These are the 3 different solutions that we are getting here, right? I have written down for every question what is the solution, so that you will be able to get an idea that okay, whether you are doing the thing with the correct approach or not. That's the only motive behind giving you the solution or the answer of that as well. But try to do it step by step. Here also you need to apply a substitution method. Okay, so these are the 3 problems which I want to give you, which is a just merge up of all the 6 previous videos that we have covered up so far. This will help you to get a better understanding, and you also get motivation. If you will be able to do it very much correctly, then you will also get the confidence that okay, you are understanding something. That's why in the complete course, also in the upcoming videos, after taking some sort of sessions, I'll also try to give you some practice set questions which will help you to just test your knowledge. And because it is testing your knowledge, please don't use any Google platform to check the solutions. You already have the solution. Try to see the approach. Try to see where you are doing wrong. If you're not getting the correct answer, do spend some time, rewatch the videos, and this will for sure help you to boost up the confidence in all these concepts. With this, happy learning to all. Bye-bye everyone. See you soon in the next upcoming session.